Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Receive a better typing experience than any other available MacBook feature, no matter the version. Full RGB lighting with different backlight modes offers a new level of customization for your MacBook. Reflect your personality with NuType. NuType can pair with up to 3 different devices via Bluetooth, allowing you to switch between devices effortlessly, including Android phones and Windows PCs. Since we started the NuType project, our mission was to create the most portable and useful mechanical keyboard in the world, which is exactly what we have done. Yet it will need a little protection. So we also designed a case specifically for NuType, which is not only to protect your keyboard, but works as a stand to hold all your mobile devices, helping you to work on NuType anywhere and anytime.
Our manufacturers are on standby. If you back us today, it will be delivered on time.
NuType, the first mechanical keyboard designed especially for MacBook. It combines the most advanced technology and smartest design, redefining the laptop typing experience.